Hello, and welcome back to our Top-Line Results Zoho CRM Learning Series. In this 5-video series, we are working on creating a homepage in Zoho CRM for sales managers so they can review and track the progress of their sales team. This is the 4th video in that series. If you have not seen our previous videos, there is a link in the top of the screen to take you to the entire video series so you can catch up. Links will also be in the description. In this video, we will be creating a new kind of component for our sales manager's homepage. Today, we will be creating the Comparator Component panel. This tool will allow us to see multiple statistics for our salespeople without the need for multiple panels on our homepage. We will be using this panel to measure the number of tasks completed, meetings held, calls completed, and opportunities created. Let's go ahead and navigate back to our Sales Manager dashboard inside of Zoho CRM Analytics. Please see the first video in our series to learn how to create the Sales Manager dashboard. To add a comparator panel, let's select the Add Component button and choose the Comparator option. For our comparator panel, we will select the Elegant style today. To begin with the setup, the component name will be Salesperson Comparison for this month. For Compare Among option, let's select Users, then let's select Custom Users. For Comparator Charts, we can add up to 5 people to compare amongst. For our purposes, I am going to select all of my users today. The next thing we will do is start to add our comparison parameters. To do so, let's add a parameter by selecting the Add Your First Parameter option. For our first parameter, we are going to track tasks completed. For our parameter name, let's set it to Task Completed. For our metric, let's set the module to Tasks and keep the count of tasks as it is. For our duration, let's set this to close time, and we'll say this month. We do have the option to show a trend, but we will skip this in this training video. Let's now hit the Done button, and this will save our first parameter. For our second comparison parameter, we want to look at meetings held, and this will be our metric. So let's select Add Parameter again, and let's put in our parameter name as meetings held. Let's select the metrics module. Let's select the meetings module and keep the count of meetings as our value. For the duration, let's set the to date to this month. This way we can keep this consistent with our previous parameters. Once again, we will skip the trend up and down option and click on Done. Let's go ahead and select Add Parameter yet again. For our third parameter, let's set the parameter name to Calls Completed. As you probably figured from the title, our module is going to be Calls. And we're going to go ahead and leave it as the Count of Calls options. For our duration today, let's set the call start time to this month as well to keep it consistent. Once again, we will skip the trend option. Let's go ahead and hit Done so we can create our last parameter. For our last parameter today, it is going to be our opportunities created. So let's go ahead and type in opportunities created. For our module, we're going to go ahead and select opportunities. It may be deals on your side. And we're going to go ahead and stick with the count of opportunities here. For our duration, we're going to select the created time, and we're going to select this month. Once again, we're going to skip our trend, and we're going to hit Done. Once we're happy with all of the options that we have here in all of our parameters, all we have to do is hit the Save button, and you will now see that this comparator has been added to our dashboard. With that, we have concluded today's training video, the 4th in a 5-part series. Please continue watching as we finish up with Part 5, Building the Sales Manager homepage. If you'd like to know more or need assistance, please go to our website and complete the Contact Us form at toplineresults.com. Thank you for enjoying this video.